The first time I tasted this Ayamase stew, I totally fell in love with it. At this time, this is my favorite stew or sauce right now. You can use it for so many things like yam, plantain, so many things. Even to the extent that I use it for my bread on my breakfast. Oh my goodness. Hi lovers of good things. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for tuning in to today's video. I hope you all are keeping safe. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how I make this beautiful and delicious Ayamase stew. If you want to know how I prepare this, please stay tuned and let's dive into this video. So guys, we'll start up by cooking our meat. I'll be using chicken and beef meat for this recipe. You can use any type of meat of your choice for this recipe. Here is my blended onions, garlic and ginger. You can use any ingredients to cook your meat. I also add my Maggi cube and black pepper, rosemary as well. If you have been following me, you will know I use rosemary instead of thyme most of my recipe. I added curry powder and some salt for taste. So I'm going to steam it together with the ingredients. Later I will add enough water to cook the meat. Here the meat is well steamed with the ingredients. I will go ahead and add water, which is already added. I'm going to stir everything together and cover to cook. Here, so guys, we'll go ahead to introduce the rest ingredients we need for this recipe. I have my 2 onions, 2 scotch bonnet pepper, and some red bell pepper and the green one. The green one is the most important one you need for this recipe. You can add every other pepper as I did here, like chili and every other one you want to add to this recipe. Here are the eggs. You need eggs for this Ayamase stew. And this is my vegetable oil. Normally Ayamase stew is cooked with red oil, which is palm oil, but I decided to use olive oil for this because I don't want to eat red oil this time. And that is my crayfish, my Maggi cube and salt for taste. Here are the few ingredients you need for this Ayamase stew. So easy but so delicious. I will go ahead and cut or dice all the peppers that needs to be cut so that my blender can be good with it. At this stage, I have cut the onions that I'll be using to fry out the stew. I will also rough blend the bell pepper and the diced ingredients. At this stage, I will pour it into my pan and steam it until the excess water is dried off. So guys, I'm going to be grilling the meat. I'm not going to be frying it, and that will be off camera. You can decide to fry out your meat if you wish, but I don't want excess oil in this Ayamase stew. You can decide to use much oil if you want it. At this stage, we will continue to cook our Ayamase stew. The time we are waiting for is here. If you have not tried out this recipe, please do wait and try it, and you will love it the way I did. Oh my goodness, this is so delicious and easy. So I want to say a very big thank you to my old subscribers, my new subscribers. You are highly welcome. My name is Ladyzion Sweethome. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for tuning in. May God bless you. You that is subscribing, may God bless you right now. And if you enjoyed the video, you find it useful, please remember to give it a huge thumbs up, which is like, share it to your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel if you have not yet do so. I promise you will never regret doing that. Put on the notification bell so that you don't miss any video that comes into this channel. Thank you all for tuning into today's video, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.